Once upon a time, in a cozy forest, lived a friendly fox named Finn. Finn was known for his soft, red fur and twinkling, bright blue eyes. One night, Finn felt a little restless. He couldn't sleep. He tried counting sheep, but they kept jumping over the wrong side of the fence. So, Finn decided to take a walk. He strolled through the moonlit forest, listening to the gentle hoots of owls and the rustling leaves. Suddenly, he heard a soft, whimpering sound. It was a tiny rabbit, lost and scared. Finn's heart melted, and he decided to help. He gently picked up the rabbit and carried it back to its burrow. The rabbit thanked Finn with a tiny hop and a cheerful little laugh. Finn returned to his den, feeling content. He snuggled into his soft, warm bed and began to feel sleepy. Soon, he was fast asleep, dreaming of his adventure with the little rabbit. The next morning, Finn woke up refreshed and ready for a new day. He remembered his nighttime adventure with a smile, knowing that he had made a new friend. From that day forward, Finn would often take nighttime strolls, helping any creature in need. And every night, he would return home, tired but happy, ready for a good night's sleep. So, if you ever find yourself restless, remember Finn. He showed us that helping others can bring us peace and happiness, and sometimes, it's the best way to fall asleep. Good night.